now I'm gonna use this. I haven't ever really used one of these with a handgun, only with rifles. All right, come over here, Max, show you the... Now this is a 38 special. So you can see here, then you just push in this.
Or no, you pull, yeah.
And then boom, it empties them out.
One shell fell on the ground.
And then when you're reloading, we only put 5 in.
This holds 6, but you only put 5.
Yeah. And then you leave one empty. See that there?
Yep.
Leave that one empty, and that one goes to the top. And that's it.
And what caliber is this?
A 38 special.
That's awesome.
Right here.
Doesn't have as much kick as I thought it would.
No, it's the 357 will have a little more kick to it.
Yeah.
This is just heavier.
Yeah.
So, Max, you're up, bud.
All right, sweet.